Hi, my name is Anthea. I'd like to be known as Anthea Rodan for this show, and I've joined Gemstone to come and sing my heart out. I have this so-called role model. It's Beyonce. But today I'm not going to do a song by Beyonce. I'm going to do a song by Fergie called Big Girls Don't Cry. Please vote for me, and I hope I can make you enjoy the show. The smell of your skin lingers on me now. You're probably on your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own protection, baby. To be with myself in center. Clarity, peace, serenity. I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. We've got some stringing it out to do, and I'm gonna miss you like a child misses their blanket, but I've gotta get a move on with my life. It's time to be